So I have 1 year left to serve on parole.
Well, what I can tell you this, if the judgment doesn't say that, then
Not precisely.
Yes.
Precisely.
So
nothing is. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 010531, State versus Joseph Liam Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
John Pierce for Mr. Rodriguez.
And probation, this is an application.
Would you speak up? Cool.
And are you Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it from your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sorry, did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because if he gave you this discovery, you're like, man, why did you give that to me? And Mr. Rodriguez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
I did. Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
The probation fee?
No, the true bill of indictment.
What your charge is.
Oh, yes.
All right. Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did. Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance penalty group 2, 1 to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Do you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He certainly has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes and yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes to both of those.
Mr. Rodriguez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Court will find the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did. Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine to be probated. State recommends deferred adjudication, and there's to be restitution for drug testing to the Bexar County Crime Lab. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
And did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motion?
There have not.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution, the DOEP course, and random UAs. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Did you say we signed it as guilty?
Yeah, guilty.
All right, state, any evidence?
State offers the evidence states one and its attachment.
We reviewed them and have no objections, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did. Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
Courtroom main Mamla Shiru Hodahai Jab, Judge Defendant Joseph Rodriguez Tsisidhe, or Saksal at Cardi Hain. Judge Barbar confirmed Cardi Hain. Kakia defendant apney charges, rights, or consequences of Majda Hayanahi. Controlled substance ka serious felony charges discuss Odhain. Jahan 10 Saw jail car risk Bisami Hodahai. Judge clear Cardi Hain. Kapli Lena Ka Matlab apney legal rights Chorna Hodahai.
Yes.
All right, you're slow on the reaction time. What's going on?
Oh, I'm sorry. I worked 18 hours yesterday. I didn't get home till 3 a.m.
Okay.
I'm a little exhausted.
All right, so are you understanding what's going on, and do you need this reset for another day?
I'm going on probation, right?
Well, I don't know.
Do you understand what we're doing today?
Mhm.
That you've asked for 3 years deferred adjudication? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. Are you comfortable proceeding today, or are you falling asleep that you can't do it today? Do you
Let's
want to
do it today.
Right. So, with regards to the waiver and stipulations, you've reviewed that with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand it?
I do.
You signed it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You still understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Mhm.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How old are you?
31.
All right, so it's yes or no, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, the one thing I'd like to point out for the court is my client, as he's mentioned, does work very hard. He works for a garage door company and they do travel. He was in Houston recently and some other places. He sometimes pulls 24-hour shifts when they're doing big jobs at Walmart and things like that. So I just want to make sure that the court is aware of that just in case it presents some problem. I've explained to him that he'll have to report typically once a month and that possibly that can be on Zoom. And so, but like I said, I just wanted to make the court aware of his work schedule.
All right, who is Judy Monroe Mendiola to you?
Judy. I
The
don't
person who
know.
was in the vehicle.
Oh, Judy. She was just a friend of a friend.
All right, and who is Manuel Maris, the fourth to you?
He's just a friend.
All right, none anymore. So this is what the court is going to do. There's 4 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. The defendant is allowed to travel throughout Texas for employment. There should be no contact with Judy Monroe Mendiola and Manuel Maris, Mares, the fourth. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow recommendations. $1,500 fine. That's to be probated. Field visits 1 time per month for 8 months. Restitution to the Bexar County Crime Lab for drug testing. Do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
100 hours of community service restitution. He can either do those hours or he can pay it off at $7.25 per hour to the San Antonio Food Bank.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
All right. And if there's somewhere else he would like to pay that, it just needs to be a place that's approved by probation.
Okay.
I only suggest that because, as you know, they always have a shortage.
Sure. Definitely. And Judge, I told my client before we got up here, I've encouraged him to take the class as quickly as possible and do the community service hours as quickly as possible, because I think his intent is to prove to you that he can get off this probation sooner, hopefully. So.
All right. Do you live by yourself?
We live with family.
Any minors in the household?
My little cousin. He's 10.
All right. So no unsupervised contact with minors.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else?
No, Judge, thank you.
Probation, is there anything else?
No, you're.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
I did, yes, ma'am.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, in probation, he can either do the regular random UAs or either he can do the patch. Patch costs more, but it's more conducive to people who have time issues, and your attorney can explain that.
Instead of having to drive down to probation, they can give you a patch that determines whether or not you're using drugs. That you don't have to go down to probation once a month, so that might be easy for you.
Yeah, I'm just out of town a lot. I'm
So the
I work
patch,
a lot.
so the patch might work better for you then, instead of having to make your way down to probation.
I mean, it's completely up to you. Here's the thing about the patch. When they put it on, they're the only people allowed to take it off. If you tamper with it, it's going to be a violation of your probation.
Oh, let's not do that then.
No, okay. All right, thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Anyone else ready?
Jaise High proceedings I gave Barty Hain. Defendant Thakahua or confused Lagda High. JIS Part Judge 4N Notice Letty Hain. Court ensure Cardi High could defendant Hasohos. Main decision Luraha Ho. Akir Kar. Judge deferred adjudication grant Cardi Hain Lekin Saksharet Kasaf. Probation. Random drug test community service or heavy fines. Court com message clear high. Galti Keegan Josh Nai Hoagie.